In this video, I'll show you how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can request goods or services from a vendor and track what you've ordered before it's received or billed. From your dashboard, click the New button or the plus icon and select Purchase Order to open the PO form. Start by choosing the vendor. QuickBooks will pull saved contact details, and if the vendor isn't listed, you can add them right there. Next, enter what you're ordering using the right section. Category details works for general purchases or services you don't track as items, while item details is best for products and services you've set up as items, especially if you need consistent descriptions, rates, or inventory tracking. Add the description, quantity, rate or cost, and any tax settings, and include class or location fields if you use them for reporting. Then review the PO date and number, add a ship to address, and requested delivery date if needed, and use memo or attachments for quotes and supporting documents, so everything stays organized. Click Save, then print or email the PO to your vendor. Later, you can convert it to a bill or match received items to keep records accurate. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that simplify purchasing and bookkeeping.